The continuation of the previous class. Now find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x. We have to find the remainder. So first of all we have to find the zero of the linear polynomial is 0. So p of x is equal to, let p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So what is the remainder? Remainder is equal to p of 0. P of 0. So we have to substitute the 0 in this p of x. So 3 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1, that is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. The next one, fourth problem, x plus pi. So now what is the 0? The 0 of the linear polynomial, that is minus pi. So x plus pi equal to 0, then x is equal to, we will get the minus pi. We have to transfer pi left side to right side, we will get plus pi become minus pi. So what is the remainder? Remainder is equal to p of minus pi. So p of minus pi, p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. X cube means here minus pi whole cube plus 3 into x square. X square means pi square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. So minus pi whole cube means minus pi into minus pi into minus pi. 3 times minus means it become minus pi cube plus 3 into pi minus pi whole square. 2 times minus pi into minus pi become pi square, plus into minus minus 3 pi plus 1. So this is a remainder of the when it is divided by x plus pi. Fifth one, 5 plus 2x. What is the 0? The 0 of the linear polynomial. 5 plus 2x is, so 5 plus 2x is equal to 0. So here 2x, transform 5 left side to right side. So plus 5 become minus 5. If you transfer 2 from left side to right side, it is a multiple of the x. If you transfer to left side to right side, it will become in the denominator. So x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So here it is 0 is minus 5 by 2. So polynomial is p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by the remainder theorem. Remainder is equal to here it is 0 is minus pi by 5 by 2. So the remainder become minus 5 by 2. So we have to replace x by minus pi by 2 in the p of x. So what is the p of x? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So now replace x by minus 5 by 2. So we will get minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. So here minus 5 by 2 3 times. So minus 5 by 2 whole cube means minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus, we will get minus. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So we will get minus 125 by 8. Here plus minus 5 by 2 whole square means 3 into minus 5 by 2 whole square means minus into minus, we will get plus 5 square means 25, 2 square means 4, plus into minus minus 3 5 is 15, 15 by 2 plus 1. Now what is here? It is a minus 125 by 8 plus 325s are 75 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1 by 1. So what is LCM of 2, 4, 8, 1? So 8 is 1, 2, 4 are the factors of 8. So LCM become 8. So LCM is 8. So 8 ones are 8. So 1 is multiplied with the numerator. 1 into minus 125, we will get minus 125. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 2 is multiplied with the numerator. 2 into 75, we will get to plus 150. Here minus, we have to keep the minus. Here 2 table, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 4 is multiplied with 15. So 4 15s are 60. Next 1 8s are 8. So 8 is multiply with 1. We will get the plus 8. So here it is a 125 minus 125 minus 60. We will get minus 185 plus 150 plus 8, 158 by 8. So we will get here. So we will get 185 minus 158. So minus 27 by 8. So the remainder is minus 27 by 8. When p of x divided by x 5 plus 2x, the remainder is minus 27 by 8. So second problem, find the remainder when x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p is divided by x minus p. Now let's, given the polynomial, we have to take f of x equal to x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p. So given the linear polynomial, x minus p, so what is the remainder? We can find by the using the remainder theorem. What is the remainder theorem? If it is p of x is a polynomial greater than or equal to 1 and x minus a is a linear polynomial, then the remainder is p of a. So here also same thing, at the place we are taking f of x. So by the remainder theorem, so remainder is equal to f of p, where p is the 0 of the linear polynomial. So if you substitute the p, replace x by p in f of x, then we will get the answer. So substitute this one in f of x. So we will get here x cube means p cube minus p into x square. X square means p square plus 6 into p minus p. So that is equal to p cube minus p cube plus 6p minus p. P cube will be cancelled. It is a plus p cube, it is a minus p cube, and what is the remaining? 6p minus p, we will get 5p. So here the given linear polynomial x minus p. So here we can write it the 0 of the polynomial x minus p is p. So this is answer. So third problem, find the remainder when 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is divided by 2x minus 3. Does it exactly divide the polynomial? State reason. So first of all, we have to find the remainder. So now I am taking the let p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5 and q of x is equal to 2x minus 3. So now first of all we have to find the 0 of this linear polynomial. So the 0 of the linear polynomial, 0 of the polynomial 2x minus 3 is 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Transfer minus 3 left side to right side, that is a 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2. So here it is a 3 by 2. By the remainder theorem, by the remainder theorem, remainder is equal to P of A. P of A means here P of 3 by 2. A means it is a 0 of the linear polynomial. 0 of the linear polynomial is 3 by 2. So the remainder is P of A, that means P of 3 by 2. So how to find the P of 3 by 2? So we have to replace x by 3 by 2 in P of x. So now 3 by 2 substitute at the place of x in the P of x. So if you substitute here 2 into x square 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 into 3 by 2 plus 5. So 2 into 3 by 2 whole square means 3 square by 2 square. 3 square by means 9 by 4 minus 3 3 is a 9 by 2. 3 into 3 9 by 2 plus 5. So here 9 2s are 18 by 4 minus 9 by 2 plus 5. So what is the LCM? Here it is. LCM is 4 comma 2 comma 1. So 2 table 1, we will get 2 ones are 2. So 2 into 2 4. So we will get here LCM is 4. 4 ones are 4. 1 is multiplied with the numerator. 1 into 18 we will get 18 minus 2 twos are 4. So 2 into 18, 2 nines are 18 plus 1 fours are 4. 4 into 5 means 20. That is nothing but 20 by 4. 18 will be cancelled. 20 by 4. 4 ones are 4 fives are. Here we are getting the remainder is 5. If it is a remainder is 5. So here it is a question is, does it exactly divide the polynomial? When it exactly divide the polynomial, if it is remainder is 0, then that linear polynomial exactly divide the polynomial. But we are getting here remainder is 5. So it is a 2x minus 3 does not exactly divide the polynomial P of x. So the fourth problem, find the remainder when 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5 is divided by x minus 2 by 3. So here let P of x is equal to 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5. So here Q of x is equal to x minus 2 by 3. Now we have to find the linear polynomial, 0 of the linear polynomial. The 0 of the linear polynomial. What is the 0 of the linear polynomial x minus 2 by 3 is, if you shift to right side, minus 2 by 3 become plus 2 by 3. So the 0 will become 2 by 3. So by the remainder theorem, remainder is equal to P of A. A is the 0 of the linear polynomial. Here it is A is nothing but 2 by 3. So that is a 2 by P of 2 by 3. So it is, what is a P of, how to find the P of 2 by 3? Replace x by 2 by 3 in P of x. So substitute in 2 by 3 in P of x. So here 9x cube means 2 by 3 whole cube plus minus 3x square, 2 by 3 square plus 2 by 3 minus 5. So here it is a 9 into 2 by 3 whole cube. 2 cube means 8. 3 cube means 27 minus 3 into 2 by 3 whole square. 2 square means 4 by 3 square means 9 plus 2 by 3 minus 5. Here 9 ones are 9 threes are 3 ones are 3 threes are. So here we are getting numerator is 8, denominator is 3, minus numerator is 4, denominator is 3, plus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 1. So what is LCM? LCM is 3. So here it is 8, 3, 3 ones are 3. So 1 into 8 means 8 minus 3 ones are 3. 1 into 4 means we will get 4. 3 ones are 3. 1 into 2 means plus 2 minus 1 threes are 1 threes are 3. 3 fives are 15. So here we will get 8 plus 2 10 minus 4 minus 15 become minus 19. 19 by 3 that is equal to minus 9 by 3 that is equal to 3 ones are 3 threes are cancelled. So we will get minus 3. So what is the required remainder is minus 3. So the next problem, fifth one, if the polynomial 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and x cube plus 3x square x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a leaves the same remainder when divided by x minus 2, find the value of the a. So if you divide this one by x minus 2, you will get the remainder, and this one divided by x minus 2, you will get the another remainder. The two remainders are equal, then we have to find the value of the a. For this one we have to take, let p of x is equal to 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5, and f of x is equal to x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a, and q of x is equal to x minus 2. It is a linear polynomial. Now we have to find the 0 of the linear polynomial. So the 0 of the linear polynomial x minus 2 is x minus 2 equal to 0. So we will get the x is equal to 2. 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Now we have to find the remainder when p of x is divided by x minus 2. So now I am taking the r1. Let r1 is the remainder when p of x is divided by x minus 2. That is nothing but by the remainder theorem. By the remainder theorem we will get the p of 2 by the remainder theorem. And let r2, what is r2? r2 I am taking the f of x. Here the remainder when f of x is divided by x minus 2, that is the remainder when f of x is divided by x minus 2 is nothing but by the division remainder theorem it become f of 2, since by remainder theorem. Here it is given the two polynomials leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 2. That means the remainders are means r1 and r2. So here it is given r1 is equal to r2. So here given r1 is equal to r2. r1 means p of 2, r2 means f of 2. So what is a p of 2? P of 2 is nothing but replacing x by 2 in f of x. What is the f of 2? F of 2 is the replace x by 2 in equation f in the polynomial f of x. So substitute p of 2 means we have to replace x by 2 in p of x. What is a p of x? 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 1 minus 5. So substitute here, we will get 2 into x cube. X means 2 cube plus a into x square, that is a 2 square, plus 3x, 3 into 2 plus minus 5 is equal to, we have to substitute the f of 2. F of 2 means replace x by 2 in the polynomial f of x. Substitute here 2, we will get 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4x, minus 4 into 2 plus a, we will get plus a. So here 2 into 2 cube means 2 square, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8, plus a into 2 square means 4, plus 3 2s are 6 minus 5 is equal to 2 cube means 8, plus 2 square means 4, minus 4 2s are 8, plus a, here 8 will be cancelled. Here 2 8s are 16, plus a into 4, 4a, plus 6 minus 5 means 1 is equal to, we will get 4 plus a. So 16 plus 1, 17 plus a, 17 plus 4a is equal to 4 plus a. So now 17 transfer into right side and a transfer into left side. So here if you transfer 17 into right side, it become minus 17. A it transfer into left side, it become minus a. So 4a minus a is equal to 4 plus 17 become minus 17. 4a minus a become here 3a is equal to 4 minus 17, that is equal to 13. So a is equal to, we have to transfer 3 also. 3 is a multiple of the 3, multiple of the a. If you transfer it into right side, it become minus 13 by 3. So therefore the value of the a is equal to minus 13 by 3.